Hello, welcome guys. Today we are going to learn how to get organic traffic to your website with social bookmarking. So here is the first trick how you're going to do social bookmarking. First of all, go to Google and find out social bookmarking sites. You will get a lot of websites in which you can do social bookmarking. This is one of the best SEO tricks to get a traffic. Organic traffic can be generated in this way. So just go to the first website or go to the second website or have a look how much websites you are having there. Okay, so here we are having sponsored social bookmarking. Leave them. Social bookmarking sites, let's leave this one also because these are not good websites. Let me see where we can get good websites. Okay, go to the next link. There it is, popular social bookmarking, Twitter, Pinterest. Okay, so let's start with Pinterest. Pinterest is a very good website which gives you a lot of traffic organically to your web page. And simply create your account on Twitter and click on create and create pin. This is one of my account. I'm getting 162 impressions and some of the traffic from this page. Drag any photo. For example, we are going to do it for Dubai, travel to Dubai with visa and all that stuff, packages. Okay, so how we're gonna do? First of all, open this website. For example, my website is this. I'm just taking a random website and I will take this URL and I will paste this URL here, and a keyword is connected with this particular URL, and my keyword is uh, for example, desert safari Dubai. I will give a little introduction for this particular keyword. I will take a small description from here. I'm not getting it right there. Okay, let's let's use this one. I'm just showing you how to randomly you can do it. It's a long description and that is enough. The image is there, the link is there, and the keyword is also there. And you can select a board, create board, and you can say desert safari, and you can create and you can simply publish. Some websites will give you this kind of option where you can post link, post, create post. You can do in this particular way, like post now, submit image. Some websites will ask you like pocket. Some websites will straight away ask you for the URL. So what you have to do, go to pocket website, sign in, login, and after this simply click on home screen and come to the URL, save URL, and copy that particular URL. For example, my URL was https forward slash colon forward slashes medical dubai.com and press enter. It will come automatically. If you will refresh it, you will see that the image is already there and everything will come automatically. Okay, so this is how you can do social bookmarking. For more tricks for the SEO, follow the page and we will be learning about more tricks. Okay, thank you.